If you want to increase your shoulder mobility, then the supinated shoulder dislocate is for you. This is an excellent intermediate exercise to take your shoulder flexibility and mobility to the next level. Make sure you stick around to the end because we're going to teach you exactly how to do this for best results.
We are the gym that teaches people how to move instead of just exercise, because we believe that health is about performance, not just body image.
Shoulder dislocate supinated grip. We use this in phase 2 of the UMS to further develop mobility in the shoulder. At first it can seem very challenging. Over time you will see improvements and the movement will become smooth. Start with a wide grip, and as you develop mobility, bring your hands closer together. Your grip can remain loose, but your arms must stay straight at all times. Do not let your elbows bend. The movement should be smooth and deliberate. Make sure to take the scapula through its 4 positions throughout the movement. Protraction, moving away from the spine. Elevation, moving upwards. Retraction, moving towards the spine. And depression, moving downwards. The 3 cues to think of when doing this movement are: hold the dowel rod behind you with supinated grip. Keep your elbows straight at all times. Protract, elevate, retract, and depress the scapula as you move.
So this is actually an intermediate version for what we use in our UMS. We start with a little bit of a more basic version where your hands are in this position, which is a pronated position, but this is a great progression for that. So by putting the hands in a supinated grip like this, it's just a little bit more challenging. Just make sure that you're focusing on all the cues in the videos. We really want to make sure that those elbows are completely straight at all times. If you can't keep your elbows straight, you'll need to bring your hands a little bit wider, or you might even need to regress to the pronated version, and make sure that you're really thinking of those cues where you go through the retraction, elevation, and protraction of the scapula. Now, we use this in our UMS. We pair it with lower body strength training on Tuesday. So it's what we do in between sets of doing squats. So it's a great way to use active recovery, so you're getting flexibility in the upper body while you're doing your strength work on the lower body. Give it a try, let us know how you go. Thanks for watching. If you've made it this far, then you're serious about getting strong, flexible, and fit, which means you need to check out the Unify Movement System. UMS is strength and flexibility training reinvented into one highly efficient and effective 60-minute workout. Whether you want better physical performance or a leaner physique, our UMS app will get you there faster. Just click this link right here to learn more, or go to unitygym.com. I'm looking forward to meeting you inside. Oh, and before you go, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to support our channel so we can continue creating content like this for you.